Building a virtual tour inside of Agentplace is a very simple process. From the Marketing Center drop-down menu, merely select the Create Magic Media option, and when you do so, it's going to take you to this screen right here. You can build these presentations from scratch, in which case you would have to upload photos directly, or you can select from any of the listings you already have saved within our system. So if I select the Create from Listing option and click Continue, what you'll see now is a library of all the listings that I have saved. I merely put a check mark next to the listing that I'd like to build this presentation for, click Continue, and now all of the media that you see would actually be loaded in the photo scroller. All I have to do is drag and drop these media into the direction or the order that I would like them to appear in the presentation. Now, the system will take still shots and videos, and they can be woven together seamlessly into one presentation. Once I have them in the order that I'd like here over on the right-hand side of the screen, all I have to do is click the Continue button, and now it'll allow me to choose the effect between each one of those media elements. And you'll see here I can select from these different options here for each one of the elements that I have in the virtual tour. As we go down and I select those images, I now have the opportunity to customize my contact information. So as you'll see from an earlier training, all of my contact information will automatically be embedded into the presentation, but if I wanted to change any of this information, all I have to do is highlight on the box here, type in what I'd like to change, and then click Continue. All of these presentations are back to music, and I can choose music from an audio library by clicking on the icon here. You'll see as the categories load, I've got several different genres of music that I can choose from. Merely by highlighting the genre, it'll pull up a couple of different selections. I can choose a play button here to listen to this selection, or I can merely click on the icon and it will automatically embed the audio into the presentation. Last step for the virtual tour is select a frame. I can choose any frame. It might be an image that I've got. I can choose from a library of images that we have here in the system. Any of the creative pieces that I've built up to this point can serve as a frame, or any photo that I'd like to upload merely by clicking the Upload button here can be used as a backdrop for the presentation. I'm just going to click on one here. You'll see if I click on that, it'll automatically embed that into the backdrop of the presentation. And as we scroll down, now all I have to do is click Preview to watch the multimedia presentation. As it loads, you're going to see here, you'll hear the audio start to play. You can see the address of the property and the price is automatically embedded in the presentation here. And contact information for the agent, listing information of the property, and a built-in mortgage calculator can all be found within the application. You'll also notice here this is a link at the top of the page that can be copied and pasted anywhere in a blog, chat room, website, or emailed out through our email client. Now, publishing this to your Agentplace website is a very simple process. All I have to do is go to the Marketing Center, select Manage Magic Media, and you'll notice that all of the magic media that I've built would appear in the dashboard here. From the More Options menu under the presentation that I would like to publish, you'll see a Make Private icon here. You'll see if I click that, it'll change it to private, which would take it off my website. This particular one has already been published. If I wanted to publish it to my website, I would merely go down, click the Make Public option here, and it would automatically publish it to my Agentplace website.